I'm Christian from Make Use Of, and for the past few weeks I've been using the Zenfox T3 triple channel dashcam. It's a 3-channel system with a trio of cameras recording the road ahead, your car interior and events behind you. It retails for around $250, but it's a bit on the bulky side. In fact, this is the first thing you'll notice upon unboxing. Shipping with a rear camera, the necessary power and data cables, a cigarette lighter adapter, some 3M adhesive pads and a plastic lever. The main unit, which comprises the front and interior cameras, is surprisingly large. One thing you won't find in the box, curiously, is a collection of adhesive cable hooks. These are really important for safely routing cables around the edge of your windscreen. While inexpensive, their omission here is quite striking and pretty much stops you from using the Zenfox T3 triple channel dashcam out of the box. And you'll probably want to do this as it's quite an impressive kit. With all 3 cameras recording at 30 frames per second, the main unit, installed inside your front windscreen, features a main front camera with QHD, that's quad high definition, recording at 2560 by 1440 pixels in a 16:9 ratio. It provides a wide view of the road ahead using a Sony Starvis IMX335 5 megapixel sensor. Also mounted on the main unit is the interior cam. This records at full HD, that's 1920 by 1080p, and it's equipped with an IMX307 2 megapixel sensor. Intended for mounting in the back of your car is a smaller full HD camera with an IMX291 2 megapixel image sensor. This camera is optional in that it doesn't have to be fitted. The main unit can run fine without it. Cameras offer night vision using wide dynamic range, and the interior cam has 4 infrared LEDs to ensure a visible image is recorded. The front camera has a 160-degree view, the interior camera and rear camera 140-degree views. There's also simultaneous 3-channel recording, night vision, an optional parking mode requiring a hardwire kit which we haven't reviewed, and automatic emergency recording initiated when the G sensor detects sudden movement or impact. The Zenfox T3 3-channel dashcam is one of the most feature-packed dashcams we've seen. On the front is a compact 2-inch LCD display. Beneath this you'll find 5 buttons with a power button mounted on the side. These can be used to toggle the view, initiate emergency recording and enable Wi-Fi. Now 3 cameras does mean quite a bit of setting up. A 3-meter power and data cable is included in the kit to hook up the rear camera, which can be used to face the road behind or placed to observe rear passengers. This is useful if you're a taxi or Uber driver, for example. Routing the cable around the car is time consuming, however. Whereas the main camera unit can be attached, connected, hooked up and the power cable tucked away in under 5 minutes, secreting the rear camera's cable behind the door trim, under seats, whatever you want to do, can take, well, up to 5 times longer. But once you're on the road and driving, footage is recorded on a micro SD card. As usual, this isn't included with the dashcam, so you'll need to supply your own. Up to 256 gigabytes is supported. Footage can be monitored on a connected PC or TV by ejecting the card and viewing its contents on another device or via the Zenfox mobile app. We recommend this option, and the dashcam supports 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi to help you use this. It's the easiest option. All you need to do is connect your phone to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, open the app, then browse recordings. These can be downloaded to your device and shared if necessary. You'll also find the app stores the main camera settings. These include changing the image resolution, the camera exposure for all 3 cameras. There's a time-lapse option, G sensor sensitivity can be adjusted, and more. The Zenfox T3 also features GPS, providing valuable additional details about your journey, such as your route and estimated speed. As you'll appreciate, all of this information can prove vital in the event of an accident. The Zenfox T3 3-channel dashcam is quite a large device, as confirmed by the size of the 3M adhesive pads it relies on for mounting. But despite looking like a cross between, well, a Nokia 8110 and perhaps a dentist's chair, the device provides good results. Syncing to mobile is the simplest option for reviewing footage, and GPS logging is a useful bonus that is becoming an increasingly common feature with dashcams. It's just a bit hard to keep out of your line of sight. Smaller dashcams are available, but if you're keen to monitor as much as possible while you drive with as high quality video as possible, the Zenfox T3 3-channel is a good choice. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, for more hardware reviews and giveaways, not to mention tips and tricks, why not subscribe to the Make Use Of YouTube channel? Competition time! We're giving you the chance to win your own Zenfox T3 triple channel dashcam. To enter, read the full review and type this code into the competition widget. Dashcams make sense. The winning entry will be notified by email. The competition ends in around 3 weeks, so get your entries in ASAP and good luck.